Hey everybody, I'm Joey Wargachuk, and this is my weekly tarot and crystal guidance video for January the 29th to February the 4th. I don't know about you, but I'm super excited. I can't believe we're already into February. And Snaps totally thinks that metal decorative thing is delicious. Let's go ahead first, give our cards a really good shuffle. Are you going to join us up here? Are you going to join everybody on the video, Mr. Snaps? I know. So the first card for the 29th is the 10 of Pentacles. And the 10 of Pentacles is about business success, making the money that you want, having financial freedom, living where you want, doing what you want, and having money that makes money for you. I don't know about you, but this is the Monday that I want every Monday. And so the crystal card for the 29th is Hematite. Root chakra, which is about grounding, absorbs and transforms negative energy into positive energy while being very grounding. It's one of my favorite crystals. How can you increase your positive energy to attract the same? Hi, Snaps. How are you? And Tuesday, the 30th, is the Strength card. Oh, yeah. The Strength card is a very important card because on Tuesday, it's about taming your inner beast, having the strength and power to take over and control your life, and it connects to the infinite, your destiny. And what is your destiny is to bet. I bet that you're the person in your friends who really knows how to listen and fix other people's problems. But did you know that you know how to fix your own problems, and you have the strength to take over all of the difficulties that are entering your life? So the crystal card is, okay, so Snaps is battling me here with my cards, is purple fluorite. So this is hilarious. Definitely connected to the Strength card. It's connected to your third eye. It's about order, and it brings order out of chaos and gives clarity by connecting the heart to the brain. And where in your life can you use clarity? So what part of your life needs to be organized? So Wednesday, the 31st of January is, oh my God, I love the Six of Wands. It's about honor, being honored, accolades, getting the attention and recognition that you deserve, maybe in your job, in your relationship, but somebody's definitely going to see that you're totally kicking ass and taking names, and going to maybe, like, feature in a blog, or you're going to get a share from a celebrity on your Instagram or Facebook. But somebody's definitely going to notice that you slay, and totally, like, be excited about that. So the crystal card for Wednesday is motivation, connect to your heart chakra, and it's an Amazonite. I love Amazonite because it motivates you into action and to speak in your own way without fear of judgment. So say what you need to say. People are going to stand up and listen. Where do you need more motivation? Create a hashtag with something that you believe in. You totally can and have the power. So Thursday, the 1st of February, is the Six of Pentacles, which is about charity, inheritance, getting money. But also the thing is, it's like, if you're in the position, give money to those who deserve it, or give money freely without and gratitude. So it's about, if you need money, ask for it. So in this day and age, we have GoFundMe, crowdfunders, or just ask somebody that you care about, that maybe you need money to get you from point A to point B, and you will pay them back, pay them back with interest, or don't pay them back at all, because it's like, ask them, be like, I need just help. Can you help me? And that is totally okay. So the crystal card for Thursday is rhodonite. It's about love. It connects to your heart chakra, but it also connects to your root chakra, and it grounds your heart chakra's energy and brings love energy to the physical plane. Has your love been over too idealized? So let go of any kind of false ideas that you have about love, and totally, be open and thankful for it. Oh, he's being so cute today. So Friday the 2nd is about, oh my God, the Two of Cups, partnership, finding true love, your soulmate, connecting to somebody on a higher realm. This is definitely being connected to somebody on so many levels, and true love's kiss. Who is your soulmate? Think about who your soulmate is. If they're not in your life now, they're going to be entering your life soon. And sometimes a soulmate isn't necessarily a romantic partner, but it could be like a business partner, or somebody who's going to be your best friend for life through thick or thin. And the crystal card for, oh my goodness, stop messing up my cards, for Friday is Tiger's Eye. Connects to your sacral chakra. It's about strength and confidence to make decisions with ease and to implement follow-up action. Has a decision you put off impacted your life? So it is preventing you from, connecting with your soulmate. Find your soulmate, or let them find you. Stop hiding yourself from the universe. So Saturday the 3rd, the tarot card is the King of Pentacles. It's about stability, and it's about financial wealth, luxury. A huge payday is coming to you, and you're not even aware of it, and you're not looking at that opportunity. It could be like an early retirement. It could be definitely an inheritance. This financial windfall is definitely going to keep you where you want to be for years to come. It could be graduating from an MBA or a doctorate program that's going to bring financial sustainability that you've always wanted. Definitely show gratitude and be excited that this, even if you don't think or know where this money is going to come from, be excited for it, because the universe has a strange way of setting us up in a positive way, that and bringing things to us that we least expect. So totally take advantage of it and be grateful. And the crystal card for Saturday is Malachite, and I love Malachite because it's about release. Let go of all the negative thoughts and the negative expectations that you have. It's connected to the heart chakra, and release negative experiences, gives hope, and protects travelers on Earth and other realms. Is a time to travel the Earth or astrally. So where on Earth or another realm do you want to go? Do you want to go to the land of fairies or elves? Do you want to travel to another galaxy or another universe through astral projection? Or do you just want to go to France like I do, or Italy? Tell me about it. I want to know. So Sunday the 4th, February the 4th, and the tarot card is Judgment, Renewal, Rebirth, Second Chances. So Sunday is all about reinvention and reinventing yourself. How are you going to reinvent yourself? I'm really excited. I want you to tell me how you're planning to reinvent yourself if you made it this far in the video. And the crystal card is Carnaling, which is about creation, sacral chakra. Provides courage, physical strength, and stamina used in the support of fertility, pregnancy, and childbirth. But fertility isn't just about giving birth to babies. It's about creating new relationships and creating things that extend your legacy. A great piece of art, a book, a movie. How are you going to live forever? What are you going to create? Think about it. And what do you want to create? Think about what you want to create, and that is a very good question. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I don't know where Snaps is hiding, but he's very excited. Check out my online courses on Udemy, or sign up for a one-on-one workshop on my website, or show up at Happy Soul for a tarot reading or one of my in-person workshops here in Toronto. Thank you so much for tuning into my videos, and hopefully see you next week.